Hello everybody, my name is Tommy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing something really fun that's been requested so much. You're going to love it. So it's really easy. As you guys can tell, I already have pretty much my full face on. Lashes, eyeshadow, foundation, contour, etc. Today we're going to be doing a highlighting tutorial for beginners, so if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. Okay everyone, so I'm going to hop right in. I get requested so much to do more beginner videos on my channel because I feel like that's more of what my audience is catered towards, as well as that's just what you want to see, which I'm totally okay with, so that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start off with my all-time favorite highlighter. This is the e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearls and my Morphe M218. This is definitely my go-to for highlighting. I love it so much. I'm just going to go into the pan like so. So I haven't put out any highlight at all. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on my cheekbone. So this is just where I normally put it. You know, you have to highlight according to your bone structure and according to your face. But I like to do it right here. I think it really just accentuates my jawline. My cheekbone. This is your jawline, this is your cheekbone. I knew that, it's fine. I also really like to do my ear, and only in certain places, so I just put a little bit right here. Don't know what this is called in your ear, but it's right there. And then also right here. I feel like it just brings everything together. Now as far as around your eye, I usually leave some space between my brow and my shadow, just to put a little bit of highlighter right there. And then I also go right on top of that, so directly on top, right here, I put some highlighter. And then moving this way across my face, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and put some down the center of my nose, very lightly, and then the tip. And then we're gonna do the Cupid's bow. For this, I usually just do downward motions from the bottom of my nose down to the top of my lip. I think it just really accentuates your lip line, which I need assistance with because I don't have any filler. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side here. And then same place under the brow and above. As you guys can see in the light, it's looking really pretty already. Of course, I do have studio lights, so it's not going to look as aggressive when we go out into the real world. Go ahead and do this ear here. Perfect. Okay. Now, I always do more than one highlighter because I'm extra like that. If you want a more subtle look, just use one. I like to use two. So I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is one of the duo highlighters, I believe. If we can get her open. Oh my goodness. That was a lot more difficult than it needed to be. Yes, as you can see, there is one that I like more than the other, but I do use both. So I'll be going in with Fire Crystal. That's the one on this side right here. And I'm going to go ahead and go in over the same spots on my cheekbone. Now that part is pretty much done. That's pretty much all that highlighting is. It's just accentuating the parts that you want to draw more attention to and make it look higher on your face. And then the contour is like the shadow. So it gives you like that fake bone structure that we all want, but don't have money for plastic surgery. Next, you guys, I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip. This is in the shade Pussy Whipped, which I am so excited to try. I love Jeffree Star products so far. Every single one I've tried has completely blown me away. So I'm going to put this on my lips, and with that, the look will be complete. Okay everyone, and with that the look is complete. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you guys so much recently for the 500 subscribers. It means so much to me. That Naughty Girl video I did really blew up, which I'm so happy for. But anyways, I hope you guys really have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.